bakit po hindi na-hold accountable kung sino mang ahensya yun pong nagkulang para maipatupad yung pagsaserve ng arrest warrant?
I-correct po natin to ha. There was no failure on the part of the NBI agents. Hinarang sila. The question is, was the Senate correct in interfering with the service of the warrant of arrest? Senate siege, was it under attack? It was not. The Senate was not under attack. It was only the statement made by Senator Alan Cayetano. Senate was never under attack. Hindi kailangang tumakas palabas ng bansa si Senator Bato de la Rosa. Kapag siya ay nagtangka, ayon na rin sa DOJ, siya ay huhulihin. At maaari na po akong tumanggap na inyong mga katanungan.
Unang tanong mula kay Kenneth Pasyente, PTV.
Hi ma'am, good morning po. Ma'am, maraming lugar po sa bansa yung nakaranas po ng rotational brownouts nitong mga nakaraang araw dahil po sa power supply disruptions. Meron po bang direktiba si Pangulong Marcos Jr. sa DOE, lalo na po apektado rin yung mga medical na pangangailangan po ng ating mga kababayan?
Opo, at umaksyon po agad ang Department of Energy at ito po ang kanilang mensahe na ipapaabot natin sa taong bayan. And I quote, "Under the directive of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. to immediately stabilize grid conditions and protect consumers from power disruptions, the DOE swiftly ordered NGCP's restoration of affected transmission lines, which are Tayabas Ilijan 500 kV and Dasmariñas Ilijan 500 kV line. Actively work with generating companies to safely synchronize affected supplies capacities back on the grid. Mobilize the Grid Reliability Task Force with ERC, IEMOP, Transco, and PSALM, and directed NGCP to provide the full technical and incident reporting to ensure accountability and the safe return of critical capacities to the grid." End of quote. From the DOE po to.
Sunod na tanong mula kay Katrina Domingo, ABS-CBN.
Good morning, Undersecretary. How does the Palace respond to growing calls to replace Interior Secretary John Vic Remulla?
Wala pa pong anumang makukomento sa panawagang yan. Hindi po ito napag-uusapan sa ngayon.
Gaano po ka-satisfied ang Pangulo doon sa performance ng DILG, not only with the Senate fiasco last week, but also with wrong information about Zaldico's golden visa, Zaldico's Portuguese passport, the timeline for his arrest, as well as the supposed soon release of the Interpol? Medyo nagkasunod